I'm going to show you why the rigid piping around your pumps always leaks and how to fix it. You've probably seen this piping set up heaps of times. Two rubber-lined steel spools and a flexible coupling joining them together. The reason mines use this setup is because the flexible coupling will accommodate for some misalignment on rigid piping. But this misalignment and pump vibration quickly create gaps in the flexible coupling for slurry to leak from. Plus, they take longer to install than a single spool, and sometimes, like this example here, aren't flexible enough to make up for serious misalignment. So how do you avoid these problems? You need to stop using this old school piping setup. You can do this by using a mining hose or expansion joint instead of rigid piping. They're flexible, so if there's pipe misalignment, you can stretch, compress and rotate the hose to bolt it onto the pump. And because they bolt directly to existing pipework, there's no weak point for slurry to leak through. One of our gold mining customers in the Northern Territory had this problem in their process plant. They were using the old school piping setup, but it was failing before their scheduled shutdowns. So they swapped to this mining hose reducer and their hose now lasts twice as long as rubber-lined steel. A bonus if you use a mining hose or rubber expansion joint is that they're really good at absorbing pump vibrations. Instead of feeding the vibration back into the pump, the hose absorbs it. This makes a significant difference to the lifespan of the pump and the piping. Like our customer in the Northern Territory, lots of sites we work with have made this change and extended their wear life by 2 to 6 times. So if you're seeing the same problems, contact us today and we'll help you fix them.